You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this bank, essentially British multinational banking group headquartered in London, England. Let's break down the pronunciation. The basic pronunciation, even though there are subtleties, is Barclays, okay, with an E sound. I know it's spelled like Barclays. Some pronounce it as Barclays as well. And many, especially in the UK, pronounce it somewhere in between, as in Barclays. Barclays. So a bit of an E sound, but a bit of a diphthong at the same time. Barclays. Barclays is how it's usually pronounced. So it's not Barclays, not Barclays, although Barclays is correct. It's Barclays. Could you hear the subtle difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.